Hi, thanks for being here. I'm Mike Mossman, and I just partnered with two digital marketing legends, Perry Belcher and Chad Nicely, to let you guys know about an amazing software called PopLinks and the awesome opportunity that you're about to find out about.
It's incredible. I'm going to give you access to PopLinks for free. Yes, you're going to get free software that you can use to promote your business or anyone else's business. Along with that, you're going to get your link approved so that you can promote PopLinks and put cash right in your pocket instantly. Along with all the assets and media that you might need so that you can promote this awesome product on social media. The CRM is going to include a sequence, an email sequence, so that you can track your customer progress and be able to send out promotional emails that will guide them to make the purchase. Along with that, you're going to get training. You're going to get tons of training from Perry Belcher, Chad Nicely, and myself. Plus, I'm going to be there to give you a hand as well if you have any questions or anything like that. Now, after you click the link below and watch the video, be sure and check your email box because I just sent you an email. It's going to look like this. Now check your promotions tab, your inbox, your spam filter, God forbid, but tell your email platform that you want those emails to hit your inbox because I'm going to be sending you some valuable additional training and tips and updates all along the way. Plus, that'll be your way to be able to contact me as well. So what you have your hands on here is incredible. Who else gives you free software that you can learn how to use and then go out and promote it and pay you to actually promote their product? This is a phenomenal deal, and I hope you understand what you got your hands on. So don't forget, click that link below. Get started now.
Take it away, Chad and Perry.
Hey, this is Perry Belcher here with Chad Nicely, my partner. Welcome to PopLinks. I think you're going to love it. Tell them what's going on now and what their next steps are and what they need to do.
Yeah, so first of all, take a minute and watch this demo video, and we'll be back in a second.
Okay, so you can see that I'm logged into the PopLinks software right now. This is the beta version of PopLinks that you're going to be getting access to for free. And this is page 1, or the lead capture page. Look at it right now. It probably took about 45 seconds to create this because of the amazing software. Then if you hit the switch, this is page 2, otherwise known as the thank you page. And it's simply amazing. If you want, you can even go ahead and come over to make a pop-up. You can toggle in between for different sizes of the page. And it's just so easy. It's absolutely easy to do and fast. And it's also optimized for mobile. So you won't have to worry about how things look when it comes to a mobile phone.
And I hope that you will join the community. You'll see that I asked about a day ago, show me your 2 steps down below, right? And so if I scroll down here, you've already kind of seen what I can do. But you can see that Steve's saying, Chad, these are hot off the press. I'm just getting these done finally, right? And so if I go ahead and open this up, you can see there's one of his steps. And then we come over here. If we open this up, we've given them the video, the copy, and everything else. I mean, they're free to create their own. And we encourage them to create their own bridge videos. But it just kind of shows you how they're knocking these things out, right? Here's Margot, and we can take a look at her step. That's what it looks like on the phone. And by the way, they're perfectly responsive on the phone, right? We can come back through here, and you can see there's some from Richard. Here's Karen Jones. Let's go ahead and open this up. So even though it's the same copy and the same video and everything, you can see that the designs are completely different. And the reason why is because the software does all the designs for you, right? Let's go ahead and open up and see what Jim has done. Let's see. There we go. So you can see he's using an image and he's using a pattern on top of it and the gradients. And I think you're going to be very surprised how fast you're able to knock these out, right? If I come down here, I thought this one was pretty clever. This comes from Steve. If I open this up, you can see that he is definitely using an image for the background here, right? And then he's using a shuffle view. So a pretty amazing landing page builder. And we're just getting started with this whole entire thing. So here's what I want you to do, right? This one I want to show you, and then we'll head back over to the video. Once you click the button down below, you're going to be taken to this Google Doc right here. It says, grab your copy of PopLinks. Yes, we're giving you the beta version for free. But you also get our CRM as well. And I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag just yet, but trust me when I say you will flip out when you see that. So 3 steps for you. Step number 1, watch the training webinar that I did with Perry, all right? And we're going to kind of break down this whole system and show you how you're going to access the software, no catch, nothing for you to buy. And then we're going to teach you how to go out there and start making money with the software. And then step number 2, you'll go ahead and click this link right here, and you'll be able to grab the software. And then step number 3, once you go ahead and join the Facebook group, that's the same group that I just showed you. And then as you become familiar with this opportunity, you'll see that I've got all the resources and trainings and everything right here on this sheet. Okay, so I appreciate you showing interest in this whole amazing opportunity. And now I'm going to assume that you have PopLinks, the CRM, and the opportunity. So let's head back on over to the video.
Awesome, right? So we just gave them PopLinks. That's it. You got it.
Yeah, so now you're set up to create those beautiful Web 2.0 landing pages, and how long is it going to take them?
45 seconds, maybe?
Yeah, 45 seconds. I promise you, you've never ever seen technology like this.
And like everybody else's stuff, you get to use it now, so you get some results in advance, right?
Exactly. Now, not only do we want you using it, we want you getting results. We want you learning how to go out there and promote this, because now we're going to also give you a chance to learn how to use this system to go out there and market your own business. And what we're going to allow you to do is go out there and also resell PopLinks as one of our valued partners, right? So you're now in the circle, okay? Now, here's what's incredible about this. I don't think you've ever seen an opportunity like this. Not only do you get the software, okay, we've also given you a bonus platform where you're going to be able to take the software and hook it up to our CRM. So now you can do email, tags, we have integrations.
Yeah.
But guess what? We're just getting started. What's that guy's name? Billy
Mays.
Yeah, what did he always say?
It's Billy Mays. I don't know.
Yeah. It's incredible with what he said. But look, not only do you get
The fastest,
software,
Billy Mays here, with PopLinks, the fastest, easiest way. It's always the fastest, easiest way. And this truly is the fastest, easiest way to sell anything on the interwebs.
Yeah, there you go. Take that script right
Interwebs, by the way, trademark, Perry Belcher, interwebs.
Yeah.
Use that.
Yeah, so we're gonna train you, right? Depending on when you see this video, you get to jump on a training with me, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to use this software, and you're gonna learn about the very best in marketing. I'm gonna teach you how to do this with YouTube, Facebook. I'm gonna teach you how to set up your email. Like, there's so many things here. And then on top of that, we're gonna give you like all the images, all the videos, all the ads, anything you see us doing. We're gonna teach you how to take those little pieces and go out there and simply
They're all yours.
tell other people about it. Just go share your pages with
Along with the trainings on how to use PopLinks for local, how to use PopLinks for affiliates, how to use PopLinks for phone-in consulting, coaching offers. I mean, the software is just, it truly is Billy Mays software. It's the fastest, easiest way to launch any online business. It truly is.
Yeah, so there's 2 plays here, right? Number 1, you get the software to use for your own business. But number 2, just by you using the software and sharing it with other people, you're going to bring more people in. They're going to watch videos just like this. They're going to get all excited, jump on our trainings, and then they're going to be like, you know what? I want to buy everything you have. And guess what? We're going to share those profits with you.
Yeah, but you should have seen yesterday, we did a demo call with the first group of the beta guys, and I shared a strategy on how I actually monetize other people's YouTube videos by using PopLinks to do so, and then sending them on to affiliate offers. Really, really slick. We'll give you that. So all those little sub-trainings, you're going to get all those, along with full rights to republish those, cut them up, chop them up, use them any way you want to use them to promote the product. And you're going to be learning how to use the software in the process. You're going to have the software, you're going to have the training, you're going to have the ability to make money from it right away, even if you don't have anything to sell right now. It's a pretty amazing opportunity.
Yeah, and there's never been a better time. If you look at the price of gas, and groceries, and
other software, it's so expensive. Yeah.
And I cannot begin to tell you the opportunity that you have here when you learn how to go out there and sell other people's software. And software is like one of the most requested items in the marketplace right now, because everybody's learning about social
Chad's doing you're doing a whole training on selling other people's software too, through PopLinks, not just ours, but anybody's software by PopLinks. So yeah, this is an exciting time. This is an exciting time.
So you have the software. Just go ahead and click the button down below. We're also going to bring you into our community where we have another video waiting for you. Okay, so you have the software. You're going to use it for your own purpose, and then we're going to show you how to use the software to start making profits right away. So anything you want to leave them with?
Nothing that I can think of other than get in there and dive in. First thing to do is just dive in and use the software. And I think you're unlike other software you're going to run across, you're going to understand how to use this software in about 2 minutes. You're going to be a master of it in a couple of minutes, and then you can just start churning these things out. And you got to remember, as you churn out these little bitty pages, each little page you turn out, I've got hundreds of sites on the internet, I've got hundreds of landing pages on the internet. And when I look at my sales every day that come in, we sell tens of thousands of dollars worth of stuff every day. None of it comes from really one big funnel. It all comes in a sale from here, 2 sales from there, 1 sale from here, 3 sales from there, if I'm looking at the end of the week. But in aggregate, I crush most people because I've got so many ways to enter. You know, I heard Warren Buffett talk about this one day. He said the reason Coca-Cola sells so much Coca-Cola is because there's so many places to get a Coca-Cola. Mm-hmm. There's Coca-Cola machines, there's restaurants, there's bars, there's taverns, there's food carts everywhere. They have distribution points. So if you can learn how to pop out lots and lots and lots of distribution points, you'll learn how to sell a lot more stuff. And it's really a much more stable way to make money than ups and downs and big launches and big things like that. So this is a great tool for that too. But anyway, I could talk for an hour.
Yeah, all you got to do is show up.
Yeah.
If you're willing to give us 45 seconds, if you have an internet connection, show up and we'll show you how to take the software and turn it into a business.
Let's do it. I look forward to it.
Yep.
Take care. See you soon.
Oh, and one last thing. This isn't something that you're going to just take a hold of and then let it sit on your hard drive somewhere and not use ever again. This is going to be life-changing. So don't take this software or this opportunity lightly. Please be sure to click that link below. I'm not fooling. This is an opportunity you're not going to want to miss. Click that link below. I'm all done. It's time to go click below if you're still here.